Good morning. So let's quickly look at what happened in the market on 14th Jan. What are the opportunities from Nifty and other few important stocks perspective? Okay, so quickly, if you look at, see, we analyze from a default only monthly and weekly levels. And if we see an opportunity, then we go and enable all other settings and then look at what is the trade, and then if you are already in the trade, when to exit, what is the profit probability and all. Okay, from with the same guidelines, I'm actually enabling only this is a monthly level, this is a weekly level. In case if the price is below weekly and then below monthly, then don't look for CE, right? Unless it cross any of these levels. When it start rising towards the next level, you can consider the CE, right? But right now, if you look at this is the market last week, and this is on a Monday. So Monday actually the market opened below weekly low, monthly low. So it tried to reach here. So we plan to take CE only after crossing this so that cross and close sustain, right? And then there is a possibility to come here. No, it took in a reversal. When you see a reversal, we discussed a good possibility towards a PE, and we would have taken this CEG EG1 drive, right? Okay, forget about this Monday, whatever happened. Okay, many of you are probably in the celebrations because of this, especially if you're a South Indian, there is a Pongal festival, right? So now, yesterday, if you look at market opened somewhere here, a slight positive note, right, above the previous day close, and then still you are in a below weekly low, monthly low. So there is no CE. Let's not talk about this. Okay. So when there is a reversal, you see that there is a good CE opportunity. Probably if you have taken also, there should be kind of a stop loss kind of a thing. Okay. A reversal. There is nothing like the entire remaining half of the market is a flat market. So if you ask me, looking at the MWD indicator, there is no CE opportunity here, obviously, right? So sell and rise, most of us are an option buyers. So when you don't have an opportunity, let's not talk about that, right? Don't create something like, a non-existing opportunity. Maybe if I zoom in here, you may be able to see, okay, see, this is a 22 140, this is a 22 260, so 120 points. Yes, 120 points. I see that there is an opportunity, but uh, okay, let me enable all this. Then you can see this levels whether anything is actually somewhere nearby. You see this is a reversal. So unless you cross this, you won't take any trade, right? You're taken a trade somewhere here, and you tested 257, 260. There is no resistance. You would have waited here by the time it actually come back. So that's why I'm saying. So even if there is one, you need to keep raising the stop loss. But for us, a real opportunity is only above this. This may be one slight reversal, but once this cross, there is a high probability price will go up to here. That is one I want every one of us to capture, right? Above 329, once sustained, you see that there's a 534. So there is a 200 plus points drive will be there. Once this is crossed, there may be some pushback, but next target. Have the simple rules, and then we should be able to make. See, I'm actually saying this once this cross sustains, then it will go, right? So wait for this, and you make the entire week money in one shot. Okay, so fine. Now, coming back to what are the other trading opportunities what we had seen yesterday. So let me again disable and keep only weekly and monthly. We talk about like very few stocks, especially where our group members made good money. Yes, okay. If I look at BSE opened starting the first candle itself crossed the monthly high, right? So when we see this is a pre-market, it opened somewhere here, and then the first candle opened here, but there is a retracement. But when your next, see, basically we got the indication here. We waited for the retracement, actually speaking. When it crossed a monthly high, monthly low again, we took an entry, and then somewhere here we booked this. Okay, but if you see, it's a good one upside up to 5,500, right? So from 5,280. So there is a 220 points upside. The option prices also gone up like anything. So a good opportunity for the okay. There's one more on a Biocon. Okay. Before I move to Biocon, so we talk about these levels, right? So it's all this stock is above all the levels, right? Okay. So now the Biocon. Biocon, first candle itself has given an indication. We wait for the retracement. When we see this cross, in fact, in the group, we clearly mentioned exactly at 370. Yeah, here, I think, yeah. Biocon is going to cross high of the month. Wait for this. You can see, go back and see in the group. And when people who waited here, 378, went to 390 plus, there is a good opportunity and option prices are also from 30, it went to 20 plus. Okay, so that's an Biocon. Now there is one more non-option things, few stocks. Okay, so there is an Adani Power also. Adani Power first candle itself is given in crossing the low of the week. That's one good indication. From here, 477, it went to 520, 530. So almost like 70 points up from here. But overall, the Adani actually 87 from previous day close upside, right? But for us, it doesn't matter from previous day. For us, only from this level, this level or this level, what's the upside? Okay. Now, there is fan energy. Fan energy also you see there is a crossover here and the retracement. A crossover here at 630, it closed at 690. So the momentum seems to be upside in the stock. So there is a possibility 666 in the stock. Okay, just Apollo. So when we see a high of the month, low of the week crossed somewhere around 336, it went all the way to 360. Equitas Bank. I want to talk about Equitas Bank because if you see the price of this, let me zoom out a little. Okay, the price is below high of the month, but above low of the month and low of the week. So it is actually, let me zoom. It's keep on playing around this level, right? Once this cross this level, there is a good probability of going to 74 and beyond that. So this is a kind of like based on the behavior, but wait for the market today. See the opportunity. If it works out, that's good for us. Maruti yesterday, hope you had seen a low of the week is crossed, and then it's a good again further upside momentum here, right? Hope this weekly, monthly levels are really working for you and you're able to capture some of these. See, that is where our scanner will help. Okay. So here today, if you look at the market, probably, wait for where exactly it will open. If there is a kind of like, a little towards this, wait for this to touch slight retracement like this yesterday, a day before yesterday. And then once it cross, go for C. No, a good reversal, go for P. Very simple. Don't take assumptions here. Wait for the level to cross. Once you enter in the level, you enable all this. See that where this resistance support will play. Okay. Hope happy trading. Please feel free to ping me on WhatsApp in case if you had any queries. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.